Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix weak signal and boost network strength on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first scroll from the top and enable the airplane mode. Wait a couple of seconds and disable it. Also, you can go into the internet, the gear next to your mobile data, and disable the SIM card, then enable it back on. Also, you can move to an area with better network coverage, and still in the settings, try changing the preferred network type to 5G. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.